Hello everyone, I'm Vishnu Supratik. I'm studying in SVC Bengaluru, Department of Basic Science, first semester. Today I'll be talking about the Python topic complex numbers. In that, we'll be talking about how to create complex number in Python and how to add two given complex numbers and stuffs related to it. We'll get started. First of all, before moving on to the question, what is complex numbers? Complex numbers are the numbers that are expressed in the form of a plus ib, where a is real number and bi together are the imaginary number. For example, if we take 2 plus 5i as in complex number, 2 is the complex number, I mean 2 is the real number, and 5i is the imaginary number. So this was the basic definition of complex number. Now we'll hop on to the question. We'll now move on to the question. The question says define a function which takes two objects representing complex numbers and return new complex number with addition of two complex numbers. Then define a suitable class complex to represent the complex number. So basically, this question says we need to define a complex class named complex, and we have to add the given two complex numbers. So first, we'll create a class complex. Class complex. So here's a note. Always the starting letter of the class name of the class should be capital. So next we'll create a method which is basically function, but inside a class we call it as a method. We'll keep it as def create and self comma I. So we'll keep this r as real numbers and I as imaginary numbers. So self dot real is equals to r, and self dot image is equals to. Then our next task is to add both of the complex number which is given by the user. So in order to add those complex numbers, we need to show how the complex numbers looks like. So we'll create a method like def show self, obviously. Then we'll print it as print self dot real comma self dot image. Okay, and I. So in this line, we need to understand as by printing self dot real over here, will extract the value given in this self dot real, and plus is in quotes, so it'll print plus as it is, and self dot image is this value, and it'll extract the value over here, and as it is an imaginary number, we'll have to add I with this. So next, we'll move to the main part of the program. We'll create a function outside the complex, I mean outside the class. So it'll be like basically we need to add both of the complex numbers. So we'll create it as def add complex x comma y, and we'll name it as final complex. Yes, final complex is equals to complex. So we are calling the class over here. So it could be called as object, and in the next line we'll take the values of the class by the help of objects. So it'll be like final complex dot real is equals to x dot real plus y dot real. Then final complex dot image is equals to x dot image plus y dot image. Yeah. Then we have to return final complex. Final complex. Now we are done with our class as well as our function, which adds the both of the complex numbers. Now it's time to call the function and provide the values. So we'll create a variable a is equals to sorry is equals to complex a dot create 9 comma 6. So this 9 comma 6 values goes to r comma I, so it'll be 9 plus 6i. We'll see it in the output. Then again, b is equals to complex b dot create, we'll give it as 4 comma 3. Okay. Next, c is equals to add complex, yeah, and a comma b. We called we gave the values a comma b over here because both these complex numbers are in a and b. So 9 comma 6 goes to a, 4 comma 3 goes to b. So c dot show. Yes. So we are done with our program. We'll execute and check it out. Okay, let's okay save this. Addition of two complex numbers. What's the answer we got? Yes, 13 plus 9i. So 9 plus 4, it's 13. And yeah, 9 plus 4, it's 13. And 6 plus 3, it's 9. So 13 plus 9i. We got the output perfectly. So our program is completely fine. So this was the program of adding two complex numbers. If you have any doubt regarding this code, you can put it in the comment section. I'll definitely solve it. And if you have learned something new over here, please give a like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.